am back with another tutorial after a long break from the internet. We are really near to 50 subscribers. Just hit the subscribe button and let's continue our video. We all know that not every picture we take is perfect. There is something complaining about the background or the objects laying there. So I have got AI to work for you which can clean your background and make it clean. To this website. As usual, I'll give the link in the description below. This website uses AI to detect the background and you and clears the background so that you can have a clean background and replace it with any picture you want. So let's get started. We are gonna get started for free. So if you want to clean an image background which has a dimension of 700 and 700, you don't need to sign up. But if you want to upload pictures with over the ratio of 2000 into 2000, you need to sign up for free. Here comes the premium pack too, but the free pack allows you 5 images per month, online tool and maximum dimensions of 2000. As usual, the subscription comes with 199 images, supports Windows and apps, and the max dimensions are same here. So we can choose this free one and register ourselves. Select the password you want. Create your account. After creating an account, a verification email will be sent to your email address so that you can open the email and verify your account. Now you can just log in from your created account. And have the service of using 5 images with over 2000 into 2000 dimensions. So you can drop an image or click the button and choose it from here. So let's make our logo transparent and use it in unusual places, like funny ones. Okay, let's try. Okay, so let's get started with this photo. So the clearing is completed. Now we can download the photo. And this is how it looks. Let's download it. Okay, save images. So now I'll show you how you can use this transparent photo and use it in unusual places or make funny things or just make thumbnails for your videos and everything. Wait then. So this is it guys, I tried a couple of edits and this is how to merge. And you can also make Bill Gates promote you. And so write down in the comment section what you like the most of this video, and do subscribe to my video for more updates on tech, and let's hit 50 subscribers cause I got something special for you.